What is the one word for a long projecting or anterior elongation of an animal's head? The correct answer is snout. What is the one word for clearly revealed to the mind or the senses or judgment? The correct answer is evident. What is the one word for having life or vigor or spirit? The correct answer is animated. What is the one word for a person related to another or others? The correct answer is kin. What is the one word for a person who cares for persons or property? The correct answer is guardian. What is the one word for cause to feel confident? The correct answer is reassure. What is the one word for just preceding something else in time or order? The correct answer is previous. What is the one word for remove, usually with some force or effort? The correct answer is extract. What is the one word for keep in safety and protect from harm, loss, or destruction? The correct answer is preserve. What is the one word for having little elasticity? The correct answer is brittle. What is the one word for characterized by perfect conformity to fact or truth? The correct answer is accurate. What is the one word for completely wanting or lacking? The correct answer is barren. What is the one word for no longer in use? The correct answer is obsolete. What is the one word for a shelter serving as a place of safety or sanctuary? The correct answer is oasis. What is the one word for the state of being under the control of another person? The correct answer is bondage. What is the one word for move faster? The correct answer is accelerate. What is the one word for the first of two or the first mentioned of two? The correct answer is former. What is the one word for start suddenly? The correct answer is erupt. What is the one word for an involuntary vibration, as if from illness or fear? The correct answer is tremor. What is the one word for an event resulting in great loss and misfortune? The correct answer is disaster.